Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a delicious homemade strawberry pie. It's sweet, tangy, and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this strawberry pie. 2 cups of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pre-made or homemade pie crust, and 1 egg for egg wash. Optional whipped cream or ice cream for serving. First, let's prepare our filling. Start by washing and chopping 2 cups of fresh strawberries. In a large bowl, combine your strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it until the strawberries are coated and the mixture looks nice and juicy. Now let's work on the pie crust. You can use store-bought or homemade crust, whatever you prefer. Roll it out and gently place it into your pie dish, trimming the edges if needed. Now pour the strawberry mixture into the crust, spreading it evenly. If you're feeling fancy, you can create a lattice top, or just cover the pie completely with another layer of crust. Be sure to cut a few slits for ventilation. Before we bake, brush the top with a little egg wash to give it a beautiful golden color. Pop your pie into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius, and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. Our strawberry pie is done. Look at that golden crust and the juicy filling. Let it cool for a bit, then slice it up. It's perfect served with some whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. It's so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more baking and cooking videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.